Hi, my name is Susan Lohman and I'm the Crochet Architect. I've been crocheting for over 45 years and I love everything to do with crochet. I'm excited to tell you that I'll be teaching some crochet classes at the annual conference of the Crochet Guild of America in July. We usually hold the conference in person, but because of the pandemic this year, we're holding it online. And that means you can take classes in the comfort of your own home. One of the classes I'll be teaching is Filet Crochet, which is one of my favorite techniques. After taking this class, you'll be able to crochet some beautiful filet crochet projects just like these. This will be a 6-hour class held on Wednesday, July 28th. We'll meet for 3 hours in the morning, have an hour break for lunch, and 3 more hours in the afternoon. In the first 3 hours of class, you'll learn the basics of filet crochet, the open mesh, the closed mesh, and the lacet. You'll also learn to read filet crochet charts, and I'll share some tips for making your mesh square. Then we'll progress to crocheting a filet coaster. In the second 3 hours of class, we'll expand on the basics of filet crochet to learn increases, decreases, diagonals, and much more. This is a class for all skill levels, so you only need to know the basic crochet stitches. Filet crochet is typically done with crochet thread and small steel crochet hooks, but you can use larger hooks and yarn up to a DK weight if you'd like. For more information about this class and all the other classes being taught at the Crochet Guild of America Conference, check the video description below. I look forward to seeing you in class and sharing my knowledge of filet crochet with you.